Here at WM System, the safety of our customers and staff is paramount. Please take a moment to review this video, which will outline your on-site arrival procedure and the social distancing measures we have undertaken. On arrival, simply pull up to our compound gate and our ramp engineer will let you in. Our CCTV system will notify us of your arrival. Drive through the gate and turn to your left. This will allow you to reverse into our workshop. Our ramp engineer will be on hand to guide you in. Please maintain a slow speed at all times. You only need to partially reverse your vehicle into our workshop, as shown in this footage. When you are ready to do so, exit your vehicle and leave the keys on the driver's seat. Entry to the workshop area is forbidden. If you are staying on site during the installation, you are required to wait in the waiting area. Wi-Fi, power sockets, and a private toilet with washing facilities are available solely for your use. If you are feeling unwell prior to your arrival, please feel free to contact us to arrange an alternative fitting date. Stay safe and thank you.